In Microsoft PowerPoint, we can capture the screen actions. We have to define an area of screen to record. So there are certain options like you can record your audio and the mouse pointer. For that you have to go to the ribbon, insert, and then we'll see how we can start the screen recording. This is how you get when you press the screen recording. This is record, this is the time which is being shown, select area, audio and record pointer. So both of these you can take, or any of these you can take. If you don't want default, click the selected area and just draw the dotted line by yourself. So you can select your own area. You can specify the option, as I said, audio, you just want audio, you don't want the pointer to be recorded. This is also possible. Any of these, both of these can be chosen. So this is just an example. See, my mouse is here, but I'm showing you that actual screen capturing is going on. As you see, this is in the PowerPoint, it is going on. Screen capturing. For that, what we have to do here is, let me go to insert. Here we have screen recording. So this record your computer screen and related audio before inserting the recording onto your slide. So now this is the area, and you can choose your own area also. I'm choosing, say, this area, right? And now you just have to say record. Now you want audio to be recorded, you can press this. You want to record pointer, you can press this. Means if they are selected, like I want audio, so I'll press this. I want to record pointer, I will press this. And now you just have to say record. So see, this is recording. It will tell you the time. This is my record. I'm recording my mouse, my sound, everything is being recorded. And here is the recording going on. I can pause it sometime, return back, I can stop it sometime, and when I stop, it will be captured on my screen. Now let me play it for you. See, so things are going on. Whatever I have done is being shown here. And one more important thing is, at any time you can just right click and you can save media as. Like you want to screen capture, you want to make a YouTube video, you want to make a video for your students or any presentation, you can always save it like this. So I'm saving it, and let me go to that particular point and I can show you that video through VLC. This video we have just recorded, as you see here. So you can screen record. This is how screen recording is done.